The red light on your Xumo TV remote typically indicates a pairing issue or low battery. First, replace the batteries with fresh AAA alkaline batteries, ensuring they are correctly inserted with proper positive and negative alignment. Then, reset the remote by holding the Setup or Xumo button for 5 to 10 seconds until the red light blinks. Finally, repair the remote by navigating to Settings, Remotes and Accessories, Pair New Remote on your Xumo device. Keep the remote close, within 1 to 2 feet, and follow the on-screen instructions. The red light should turn off within 30 seconds upon successful pairing. These steps resolve most cases of the red light issue on Xumo remotes. If the red light persists after replacing batteries and repairing, minimize potential Bluetooth interference from devices like Wi-Fi routers or microwaves. Ensure your Xumo device is powered on and within infrared range up to 30 feet. Also, consider that firmware updates address pairing glitches. Check for updates via the Xumo app. To prevent future issues, replace batteries every 3 to 6 months and avoid physical damage to the remote. In rare cases of hardware or software glitches, contact Xumo support. As a last resort, a full factory reset of the stream box may be necessary. If Xumo remote problems continue, consider buying a universal remote as a workaround.